Welcome to Live Talk Dojo, where the strikes come from the fizz, not from copyright bots. I'm Shifu Pain, and today we're going to be looking at the 6 foundational kicks. These kicks can be found in multiple martial arts, including Taekwondo, Muay Thai, and kickboxing, so you'll probably have heard of these kicks before. At this point, it's important to stress that there are many variations of all these kicks, and we will go through all these variations at a later date. But first, we need to establish the building blocks before we can play with them. The first kick we're going to look at today is the front kick.
The front kick draws momentum from the core as you bring the leg up. We're going to start by going into our L stance, with the front foot pointing forwards and the back foot pointing to the side, and the knees slightly bent. We're next going to bring the front leg up, and then extend the leg forwards, stepping into the motion. So we'll repeat that now, stepping into the motion. Now we'll begin to speed the motion up, and if you want, you can use your arms for added momentum, putting more of the body into the motion.
Next up is the side kick.
For the side kick, begin by planting the foot you're standing on, be it your right or your left, by positioning it at an angle. Next, bring the front leg up. We're going to twist the hips, bringing that soft power into the technique that we talked about last time. Recoil the front leg like a spring and extend the leg. When performing the technique, watch the foot for pointing. Having the foot straight and striking with the bottom of the foot hits with a greater area and lessens the risk of damaging the ankle. Returning the leg to the chamber, we're going to bring the kicking leg around behind the back leg, so that we're standing facing opposite at the starting position.
Our third kick for today is the back kick. Is anyone noticing a pattern?
The back kick serves as the reverse to the front kick, so again we're driving with the knee, stepping into the motion, only, backwards. Firstly, bring up the knee, and then extend the leg backwards. Then, for this exercise, return it to the chamber, creating a circular motion.
The next kick for today is the roundhouse kick, and the roundhouse kick can be an example of an inside kick, whereby we're moving inside the body.
Start off with the back foot again at an angle, the same as the side kick to keep balance and plant the foot. After this, we're going to twist the hip and bring the knee up, then extend the leg, bringing the leg all the way around in a circular motion so it is in relatively the same place when returning to the chamber, following through. At full speed, you'll notice that there is a difference in generating power. While the side kick uses more of the leg to generate power by coiling it like a spring, the twisting of the hip here primarily generates power for the roundhouse.
Our fifth kick for today is the hook kick, and the hook kick can be an example of an outside kick, where we're moving outside the body as opposed to inside the body like the roundhouse kick.
The hook kick begins again with planting the foot, and we're going to bring the leg up and kick outside in a circular motion. Not a knee first like the roundhouse, but with the leg straight. When the leg is at the height of the motion, we're going to curl the leg inwards, creating that hook.
The crescent kick is last on the chopping block for today.
The crescent kick is a kick that can be inside or outside, but for today we'll practice the outside version. We're first going to bring the leg straight up, like the hook kick, not by bringing the knee up first, but instead with the whole leg. This kick on its own is known as the split kick, so bonus kick for today. We're then going to bring the leg around outside the body in a curved motion, and then bring it back to the chamber, creating the shape of a crescent, like a crescent moon, only more hurtful.
As I said at the start, all these kicks have their own variations and different combinations, and we will look at some of those variations in time, but I would like for all of you to begin to look at these variations for yourself during your practice, finding variations of these kicks that you prefer, or variations that you are comfortable with. Thank you all for tuning into this week's video. Next time we're going to be looking at one of the 3 core pillars of martial arts training. But until that time, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And remember that I'm always available for comments and for questions either in DMs or on email. And everyone, until next time, peace be with you.